Health Talk, brought to you by Rapides Regional Medical Center. Fireworks are as much a part of the 4th of July as hot dogs, hamburgers, and the American flag. But they are also the reason why many partygoers find themselves headed to the emergency room on July 4th. When handled properly, fireworks can be fun, but they can also be deadly when put in the wrong hands.
Most injuries that we see associated with fireworks are to the hand or finger. It accounts for about 30% of injuries, followed by injuries to the leg, face, or eye, with most of these injuries being burns.
Nationwide, around 8,700 people were treated in emergency rooms due to injuries related to fireworks in 2012, according to the Consumer Product Safety Commission. The majority of those, 5,000, occurred in the weeks surrounding the 4th of July.
In our ER, most injuries due to fireworks are from bottle rockets or firecrackers.
One firework that you may think is safe enough for even toddlers is actually one of the more dangerous types.
Sparklers can be the most dangerous for multiple reasons. One is they can reach up to 2,000 degrees. They also account for 10% of the injuries we see in the ER. And also half of these injuries are children 5 years and under. We all love fireworks, but the best way to enjoy them this season is to attend a professionally run show in your community.
For more information, visit rapidesregional.com.